How to recover lost Cash App funds. In order to recover lost Cash App funds, you could immediately report unauthorized transaction or lost card via the app or by calling a toll-free number. First thing first, what you want to do is you could simply immediately contact Cash App via the app, or you could just call or contact. So what you want to do is open up any browser that you have, type in Cash App support, and you want to go ahead and see the toll free number as well. You could copy this out and select call, and it's going to immediately call out, and you could report the issue as well. Or else, if you don't want to make a call, you could simply tap the link, and you could just go ahead and start typing in a message stating that your account has been hacked or something like that, and you've lost your Cash App funds. Next, what you want to do is if you send money to a wrong person, you could go to the activity tab, select the payment. You could go to activity tab and select the payment, and you could just go ahead and select report an issue to request a refund, and afterwards you could change your pin, enable two-factor authentication, and ensure your account credentials are secure. So this is how you're going to recover lost Cash App funds, and that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.